just had to head out because change of the plan. My broski going to my place. That's why here we are. And I bought some chicken here before I went to, as always, the supermarket called Kaufland and bought some groceries and stuff. And I came back home, dropped the stuff from Kaufland and went to get the chicken. It's been a minute. I've been here in this area. If you already know, if I'm here, that means what? Guess we're gonna do a haul. I don't think I will do everything, but I will show you what I can. Okay, and what is like kind of sewable or exciting. I don't know. Fuck it. Interesting, so to say, pieces. I will show you only. I was on shopping ban or saving mood, but we did it again because I had to like return stuff, and I mean I had to exchange some stuff. That's why I had to order it again. But anywho, I'm not even gonna mention it, but I can. This is a problem at this point, but hey, my parents raised a shopaholic, not alcoholic, so I can say that only. Anywho, let's just open the damn packages. I got here makeup or organizer. This thing. Pouch. So it has one. Focus. Yeah. Nice, like ocean, sea animal vibe it's giving. It has large, medium and small, like a set. That's that. Next we have just a normal linen pant, white for the summer. I had to get it. It's cotton pant, so linen is a bit expensive, so I mean I couldn't even find as well there, so just a cotton for the summer. We have what the hell. Okay, maybe I didn't see the pictures in the review. I thought this was like so glittery. This butterfly was like glitter over here, but it isn't. Expectation versus reality, but I should have done my research better. But hey, it's just a top with a pink and blue and a pink and a blue butterflies. I like butterflies, that's why. Just a halter neck top like so. Anywho, next I got just a tank top, navy blue, basic, a top, crop top, sleeveless as well. What it says, I only accept apologies, I don't know how to pronounce it. I only accept apologies in cash. It says, focus. Yeah, that's about it. So next I'm tired because I came tired, as always tired. I need to also make a tattoo over here like Post Malone. Yeah, I came from work, took a shower, and making some pasta. I'm gonna eat with pesto. And here is another crop top, white, and it says, I support women's rights and wrong. Yeah, I do. Oh, the crown. Oh, I like this. It's better than I expected. If this is focusing. Nice, no? Okay, enough of that. I don't have time to mess around these days. That's why I'll do everything quickly. When I have time, then we'll do a lot of that nonsense. And yeah, anyway, this is the basic top. It's really soft as well, and just white plain basic, and it's soft. And I got this use safety pin to use when I wear a sari on a festive season. It's a golden color safety pin. It says KB and with a lip emoji thing, charm, KB and lip charm. So to the next package, from here. This is just a sweatshirt, or what do you call it, sweater or top, woolen, or I don't know the material exactly, but for cold days. It says 23. It's a light pink and navy color, so that's why I got it. Oh, it has a star here. And I think I got a bunch of blazer this time, in navy color. The last I got wasn't really nice on the shoulder, that's why I will return that. So, and then I ordered this one. I will try it and see. I will keep it both or one of them. And I ordered different size as well and different. So this one. And oh, this is navy blue but different color. It looks different. And this one. I think this is the same like my brown one. That's why I got it in this size, bigger, like oversized. But if you could tell in the camera, I don't know. But these are two different color. It's a navy blue, but a bit darker and lighter. I think you can also see. So that's about it. That's all for today's haul. Thanks for watching, you guys. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and everything you can do to my YouTube channel. I'm sleepy as well, so I need to get off the phone and eat and go to bed. Love, love. Peace. Look at me. 2 bags. I just went to Kaufland. It's warm. So we are back to buy a laptop with grocery. Are you ready? Always in the Same direction. Hello, so finally we have the
Laptop.
laptop.
MacBook, yeah.
Not laptop, it's MacBook.
MacBook, yeah. MacBook
We have
Air.
MacBook Air. He got his MacBook finally. Last time we couldn't get it due to some technical problem, but today is the day. This is one of the reasons to be happy for today. Except others. How you feel? So how are you feeling right now? Your MacBook on your hand.
I'm feeling relieved.
Relieved. Okay. After spending money, he feels relieved. This means he doesn't have anything to say, but he is excited and happy as I can.
I'm excited and overwhelmed.
Overwhelmed? Why you are overwhelmed? That's not the word you have to use here. So we are excited and happy, and I hope I could use sometimes to watch movies. His MacBook. Anywho, we are gonna go to eat something to Mall of Berlin and head back to home. But we don't know what we're gonna eat, so we'll decide. I will let you know. So later.
मैले क्यान्सल गरेर त मेरो भिडियो पोस्ट गर्ने
What do you mean? You are blurred anyway.
आई फेसबुक ब्लर गर्छस् क्या हाम्रो
So this is me. So OOTD outfit of the day. I will do OOTD later on. And I don't like I have this over here. I got, oh sorry, ignore my nails, crusty, musty, dusty nails. I need to do it again. Where are you walking? So walking away. So we are looking for food, lunch, what to eat, and he said he decided to have noodles, and I'm gonna have KFC.
Noodles होइन गेम युजर छैन
Buckets.
चिकन बक्स हो सुरु 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 चिकन बक्स होला नि चिकन
Yeah.
बक्स
This.
Mono sauce.
Meat ketchup.
Gross meat ketchup अथवा मायोनिज बलिउड छ
So I got chocolate milkshake, corn, chips, and chicken.
Then take a look around. Just all that I looked at.
Oh, यस्तै हो यस्तै
Wow.
1.5 lakh 1,000 euros, guys.
1,000.
Okay, yes. The first time, yeah.
Yes, Nika. I don't know. I haven't bought any MacBook in my life. In my entire life.
Ani Apple product किनेको हो नि त भन्नुभयो चाहिँ Oh,
You need ASMR. Wow. You need to show hello गरेको. Hello. Hello.
Ni hao. Hola.
Hola.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. Namaste.
Namaste.
मैले नि अब यस्तो यस्तो हुनु.
मैले गर्न लाग्यो त्यो गर्न मान्छ चलाको
One more dance na.
Oh my god. Oh my god. The last छ यार खाना ट्राई गर्नु पर्ने तेरो फर्स्ट म गर्दिन्छु 3x बुरा चम्चाले खा
Cheers. आएन त
आएन बिरो कसम
पिरै छ
छैन
छ
छ के लास्ट
A few moments later.
भयो नि अहिले
आइजबाट आँसु आइसक्यो
अघि भएन भने
के खाने पिरो छ